How to create a t-shirt design that sells. Welcome, my name is David Osamoje, the founder and owner of What a T-shirt Design. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a t-shirt design that sells, that makes profit, that makes you money. So I'll advise you watch this video from the very beginning to the end. As you can see, to learn you have to watch a video course to the very end. So if you are watching this video to learn how to do this, how to create good quality t-shirt design that sells, that makes profit, that makes you money, I'll advise you to watch this video to the very end. So let's get straight right to it. I'm opening my Photoshop now. As you can see, Photoshop CC, that's what I use to design all my shirt designs. So to start up with, you come to Files, New. So to design, I love to do for t-shirts, I love to do 4,500 by 5,400. That's what I love to do. Color RGB, bit 16, press OK. So I get this plain background format, and that's what I want it to be at the end when I'm done designing. So to fill this up, you can see it's already on this dotted box. So already on this dotted box called rectangular marquee 2. So just over my mouse to this angle and drag my mouse, clicking on my left mouse button, and drag to this edge and release my left mouse button. Come to the middle or any part of this box and just click, right click, fill color. When you click on color, you just select a color, white. I like to use white to start with. OK and OK, and you get the white. As simple as that. Then you come back to the middle or any part of this and just left click again, and you go. Then the next step is to put our words or elements or anything we want on our shirts. This is where we start to design it. So for this one, it's going to be focused, or should I say focus? Yeah, focus. So I'll start with that. Focus. You can see it's quite small, so to make it big, I'll do my Control A, and I'll come over here and increase it to, that's where you see this T, give it to 30. As you can see, it's still small, but I'll show you a better way to increase it, which I like to do. So I'll come here and click on this arrow. Now what I like to do is to do Ctrl T. You can see I'm on this layer. I'll do Ctrl T, over my mouse around it to an edge where you see these double arrows pointing to each other's angle. See it like this double arrow here. Now I'll do Ctrl Shift on my keyboard, left click and drag. When you drag it outward, it increases. When you drag it inward, it reduces. So I'll do Ctrl to increase it like this. So you can see something happened. It was not supposed to be the way it was, so I'm going to go back, Ctrl Z to go back, and I'll do that again. Ctrl Shift left mouse key and drag outward. So when you are done, you release your mouse first. Then you release your other keys, and you have it like that. You press OK. So this one says focus. So I want to increase it a little bit, so I'll do Ctrl T again. I'll over my mouse to this angle, this box, this little box here, it forms that double arrow that you can see. I'll do my Ctrl Shift left mouse button again, drag outward. So now you have it. I think I'm okay with this. I'll just leave my mouse button, then I'll press my enter button. Now you see I just have it on my shirt, my canvas. My design is on. So I'll just add some colors to it. Or to duplicate this layer, I'll just click on my over this my mouse. As you can see, my mouse cursor is over on it. I'll just click on my alter button. It gives me a double arrow. You might be able to see the double arrow depending on this recording, but it gives you a double arrow, a black and a white. So when it gives you that, you just left click again and drag downwards. As simple as that. Just left click and drag downwards. As you can see, we've duplicated that. We'll do it again. Alter key button, left click, click on your left click, you drag downward again. It's as simple as that. So now we have 3. So what I want to do is I want to change the color of this last two. As you can see, focus copy, focus copy 2. This is focus copy, the middle one, and this is focus copy 2, this down one. So I'm just going to play with my colors. As you can see, to do that I'll just right click, double tap on this edge, double tap, color overlay. As you can see, we have the color overlay, and I'll just change the color here. So green, I think this is what I want. Okay, and I'll double tap here again. And change the color. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this. Double tap. So since this was my first layer, which is currently this, I want it to be on top, so I'm gonna right click and drag up. Just clicking on your left mouse button, you right click and you drag up. You see it comes up automatically. And now to adjust, you can see this one appears under it, so I'll just adjust it down a little so that it does not appear. There you go. So that's the way I want it. I'm happy with this design. So the next step is to group these 3 layers, and to group them is as simple as ABC. All you have to do is you already have this one highlighted, click, so you click on your control button, you click on focus copy 2 and focus. You see the 3 are highlighted now, so you do Control G now to make sure they are all on one layer. You see it's now named group 1. So if I click on these eyes here, you see everything goes. If I click on it, everything comes back. So now that I have that, all I have to do is to adjust. You can see the space here is smaller than the space here. So all I also do is just use my mouse, my arrow button on my keyboard, just the down arrow, to just move it a bit. As you can see, just moving it a bit. And now I think I'm sorry about that. I think I have it. I'm recording this video at 4:32 a.m. so you can see 4:32 a.m. so just because I want to make sure we are all happy with this video, I'll keep on releasing videos every single day at this time. I'm going to be releasing a lot of videos, and I'm very sure if you watch at least 10, 15, 20 of these videos, you become a pro in creating t-shirt designs that sells, that makes profit, t-shirt design that makes profit, t-shirt design that sells, t-shirt design that makes 6 figures. I know t-shirt designs that have been done that make 6 figures. It's possible. You just have to become good at designing and sorry about this. You just have to be good at designing and putting them up on Match by Amazon, Teespring, Redbubbles, and with that your t-shirt should sell when you make as plenty design as possible. So there you have it. So the next step is for me to turn off this background. Remember I told you I was going to turn it off because we are applying the design to our shirt. So I'll turn off this. As you can see, I'll turn on that background, and now I'll just save this as focus. So I'm saving it first as Photoshop PSD because I might just want to come back in future to edit this design, but if not, it's fine. But just in case, I'll just save it as Photoshop PSD. Save it. Save it. It's saving, as you can see. Just that part is just 10 minutes, just 10 minutes of this video, say 11 minutes. We're almost done here. So the next step is to save it as PNG, since we're going to be transferring it to our shirt. Save it as PNG. With this, for this compression, I always put on none and fast. This way I get the best quality out of it. As you can see, saving. See, now we have our design. If we go to my pictures now and click on focus, as you can see, boom, our design is ready. So the next step is to take it to our mockup. I already have some mockups downloaded. Already. So all we have to do is to take it to our mockup, and this one is one I downloaded from let me show you where I got it. So if just in case you want to get yours, got it from Flat Icons. Is it okay? I'm trying to get the website out for you guys. I don't want to make mistake and say something. Free, yeah, sorry, this is it here. freepig.com. So when you open freepig.com, all you have to do is to search t-shirt mockup. Once you set t-shirt mockup, you get your design ready, and that's all. So let's go back to our design. This is one design I've worked on in the past. So now all we have to do is to change that design to another. Just change that design to another. So to do that, I'll find my design. Just find my design here. Your design. I'll just double tap on this. Okay. So now I have this design. I don't want that. I'll just bring in my design. Remember our focus design. Focus. I'll just bring it into the shirt. As you can see, it's quite big, and if you leave it this big, it will be so big on the shirt, which I don't want. So I'm just gonna reduce it. Press enter. I'll go to file, let's click on save, and go back to the shirt. As you can see, it's focused, but it's quite small, so I'll increase it a bit. Ctrl T. Remember, as I told you to increase, Ctrl 3, move your cursor to this edge, clicking on your Ctrl and Shift button with your left mouse click button, you drag outward to increase, drag inward to reduce. So I'll just drag outward When I'm done, I'll release my left mouse button, my control and shift, and press enter. So save it again. If you have any problem, just follow. All you need to do is to follow my videos. Just follow my video, watch it again and again, and you should see it. Here we go. It's quite alright. We have it. So I'll just shift it to the left a bit, because if you saw it was moved, it was not centered in middle. So I'll save it again. My videos are super easy to follow. All you need to do is just watch it over and over again. Here we have it. It didn't take us so much time. It took us just about 15 minutes 40 seconds, let's just say approximately 60 minutes to get this design and to get it on our mock-up, on our t-shirt mock-up. So this video was about how to create t-shirt design that makes sales, that makes profits, that brings money to your account. Thank you for watching it, and have a nice day.